Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at rupees 1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows three-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tuesday and avail your courses at affordable prices.
Hello everyone. I am good. Those who are asking how are you, I am good. Okay, so what we did in our last class? Who is going to tell me what we did in our last class? We started debugging, right? Now I just want you to just recall a few things. What are bugs and what is debugging and what do you mean by debug? Okay. So the very first thing is any error in a program, any error in your code is termed as a bug. When you clear that thing, that is known as debug. And the whole process of finding and fixing the error is your debugging, right? So these are the three terms that we studied in our last class. What all they? Bug, debug, and debugging. Correct? Now, what is debugging? Debugging is the process of finding and fixing the error is debugging. Over here, we have done 5 steps of debugging. So, what are the 5 steps of debugging? Who's gonna tell me? 5 steps of debugging we did together with the 5 fingers. So, the very first one was to run the code. The second one was to verify if the code exists, right? Third one was to find the bug. Fourth one was to fix the bug. And the fifth was to run the code again. ओके सो कैसे करते सबसे पहले हमको कोड को रन करना है रन करने के बाद हमको पता चलेगा कि हमारे कोड में एरर है या नहीं एरर नहीं है मतलब बग नहीं है कोई टेंशन ही नहीं कोड इज रनिंग फाइन परफेक्टली अगर एरर है तो कहाँ पे एरर है यू नीड टू फाइंड इट सो द नेक्स्ट स्टेप बीइंग find the error then it would be fixing the error then after that you need to run the code again okay so these are the basic broad 5 steps of debugging okay we had started with b debugging and we had completed that if I'm not wrong we have completed b debugging and we were working on artist debugging in the artist debugging I think we were doing fourth level or fifth level in the artist one fourth okay so we'll start back with fourth just give me a moment I'm gonna share the link see I have shared the link those who have got they may open that please I have shared the link a lot of times now I'm going to share my screen so this was the very first one we have done this one so we'll just directly go on to the fourth one yes we have done the fourth one right okay in this one, we need to find what was the problem. When you just see that the code is already written, so just try to run this. The leg is a little longer, right? So that means the last move forward is not required. So you just delete it back. So that was the fourth one. So reset and run. Okay, continue. Now in this one, let's see what the code is all about. We need to make sure we need to just finish up the chair. So over here we can see that we just need a move forward by 150 But when we are adding move forward by 150, we can see that our workspace is getting increased, correct? See, the workspace is increasing. So instead of adding one more move forward, I will add 150 to this. So 150 plus 150 will give me 300. So when I reset and run it, so this works. So let's continue. Now we need to complete this C. So let's see. What do you think we should do in over here? Type it on chat. What do you think is the bug? Type on the chat. Those who want to give answers. The C is the opposite side that we understand, but how? Yeah, it is a ulta C, but how to make it Siddha? What do you think? Very good, Shubham. Waiting for more answers. They call type it on chat. Very good, Vigya. I am receiving a lot of answers. Very good, Sanvi. Very good, Akhil. Sarthak. So what we need to do in over here is we'll just see what is happening over here. We need to see that this is move forward, so it should come back to this point, right? So over here we can jump backward. Okay, now let's see how this goes. Now till here it is correct. Now over here one turn is not correct, so the last right turn should be a left turn. We can also use the move block instead, but why to use the move block when we have the jump? मूव ब्लॉक करने से लाइन वापस से बनेगी. We already have that line, so why to make it again? Okay, I'll just stay on this code for those who have some doubt in it. So is the sixth one clear so that we can move forward?
Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at rupees 1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows three-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tuesday and avail your courses at affordable prices.